This is the Harpex-B soundfield processor. It is available as a VST plugin, audio unit and RTAS plugin for Windows and Mac OS X. The input to Harpex-B is a B format signal. That is the standard surround sound format for soundfield microphones. The binaural output mode, shown here, can be used to produce a stereo signal intended for listening over headphones. On the right side of the plugin is the soundfield display. This shows the direction of arrival of the recorded sound. Sounds arriving from the horizontal plane are shown along the outer edge of the circular display. Sounds arriving from above or below are shown at the center of the display. The color of the sounds correspond to their frequency content. Bass is red, mid-range is green, and treble is blue. Soundfield recordings can be rotated around any axis, as indicated by the virtual microphone symbol. In this example, the soundfield microphone was located slightly higher than the performers. By tilting the virtual microphone forward, the drummers can be aligned with the horizontal plane. The stereo output mode can be used to produce a signal more suitable for loudspeaker playback, but without vertical localization cues. This output mode can emulate coincident microphone setups with any microphone angle and polar pattern. It can even emulate near-coincident microphone setups like ORTF to produce a wider stereo image. Listen again as the virtual microphone spacing is increased from 0 to 50 centimeters. It is also possible to emulate spaced omnidirectional microphones, where localization is only due to time delays between the left and right channels. It can often be useful to adjust the balance between direct and reflected sound. The ENV button allows this ratio to be adjusted. Turning up the ENV level will increase the sensation of spatial envelopment. The surround output mode produces a multi-channel output suited for playback over 5.1 or any other horizontal loudspeaker configuration. The output signal is produced through active spatial filtering, producing a level of channel separation and spatial definition that has never been available before. As in the stereo mode, it is possible to add spacing between the virtual microphones. This increases the size of the auditory scene. The soundtrack of this video is only in 2 channels, so we can obviously not demonstrate the surround sound quality here. The shotgun output mode is so called for its ability to emulate highly directive microphones, otherwise known as shotgun microphones. We begin by listening to the mono output of a single virtual cardioid microphone. Pointing the microphone forwards gives us the direct sound of the singers. Pointing it backwards gives us the reflections and reverberation of the room. By narrowing the beam width, we can listen to different sections of the choir in isolation. It is possible to add several virtual microphones in different directions and with different characteristics. For instance, a shotgun microphone can pick up the sound of the soloist, a wider beam can pick up the rest of the choir, and a cardioid pointing away from the choir can pick up the reverberation. Each of these channels can then be treated separately and mixed using other components of a digital audio workstation. This has been a quick presentation of some of the features of the Harpex-B plugin. Please visit harpex.net to receive a 30-day free trial. Thank you for listening.